Intense scuffle erupts as police dispersed women street vendors who tried to occupy vending spaces at new space at the northern side of Koramban Market temporary shed before inauguration. Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen flags off 12 more GPS-enabled highway patrol vehicles under third phase to provide security and prevent unwanted incidents on national highways. And Manipur adds 2 golds, 1 silver and 2 bronze medals on 6th day of 36 national games, Gujarat 2022. Okram Naubi and archery men's team bagged gold medals. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. I'm JOYSHREE USHAM. To stay protected from coronavirus, wash your hands frequently, wear your mask properly and maintain a safe distance. Now the news in details. Scuffle erupted as police tried to disperse women street vendors who tried to occupy their vending space in the market shed constructed for them in the northern side of the Koramban Kaitel temporary market before inauguration today. It may be recalled that a roadside street vendor welfare association Koramban Kaitel had demanded the government to inaugurate the market shed by October 3rd. Women street vendors occupied this market shed forcefully today, leading to intense scuffle. When police tried to prevent the women from occupying the market shed, major scuffle erupted. Expressing her anguish, a secretary of Roadside Vendor Welfare Association Koramban Kaitel, D.H. Kiranbala, said that the market shed had been lying vacant for over a year after its completion. She condemned the government for failing to inaugurate it as they demanded.
Mamang the drone survey makak tauki and akoitazay madu the family basing do madudi akoi mapams the pamba member yankai muktani mapam do the family badudi aduga mapam masida tasing the pamjar member sing adudi kanasu survey do the mi yankai the hena yaudabani aduna mapams the family member sing sina masa masagi pamam khangi aduna makoi na laga mapams the loina pamjabani aduna atopa mapandagi anoba member sing changlak pamatam dadi mapams the lay member sing na madu changlak pada nungai ga mande thuba matam the sarkar अखोई फमलबा मतुंगदा अखोई सर्वे लाकपियु अखोई मफमसदगी अखोई हल्लरोय ngasi dum famdana अखोई नुमित खुदिंग dum फमबा अखोई हौजरनी.
With the sole aim to provide security and to prevent any unwanted incidents on the national highways of the state, Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen today flagged off 12 more GPS-enabled highway patrol vehicles under the third phase, taking the total number of such vehicles to 22. The patrol vehicles included 3 for Tamenglong District, 3 for Nonay District, 2 for Kangpokpi District, 2 for Sanapati and 2 for Tecnopal District. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister stated that the GPS-enabled highway patrol vehicles are launched to enable quick response from police to any incident that takes place along the national highways. The location of the patrol vehicles could be tracked from the police headquarters, stating that the vehicle flagged off today could accommodate a minimum of 10 police personnel. He mentioned that the patrol teams would help to stop threatening and extortion of truck and bus drivers by unknown miscreants along the national highways. He informed that construction of 34 police stations along the Indo-Myanmar border from Behang to Jesami had started and added that with all the initiatives, the state would be able to check and stop illegal immigration and drugs trafficking along the border areas.
Adugi potu si matam adu hendro kare police says people's ki friend ne the protector of the people's life and property. Police, why police are there? To protect and prevent the life and the property of the masses. Sigi feeling si create on bagi ko yam mathuk tari se adu hojikti yam phare. I really appreciate the policing adu phamandana ne amuk soini noi gi nahan mamang da angang duna angang kharaduna khut thabado angang kharaduna khut thai angang macha amsu pamjari bodo madugum bodudi noina wonjan gadam adugumba ka hen ba yor ko di ta makut ta ga pair ga lekhi ga no police no training lo yor ko ni micham da khut tha ba gi matam biroi dam ne adugumba do gi nga kham la gi dam te hay na ta ma sang dam ne di police ne mi ma da micham praja da anyway no khut tha ba khot ba do khoi ma na to holo ga.
Education Minister Thongnaujam Basantakumar stresses the need to focus more on information technology to progress Manipur. He was speaking at the first convocation of Institute of Information Technology IIIT Manipur in Mantri Pukri at the Institute Auditorium today. The minister assured that government is working towards conducting special coaching classes for students so that more students could get admission at the IIIT Manipur. He said that the institute is no less than other such institutes outside the state. Inter-University Accelerator Center Director Professor Avinash Chandra Pandey, IIIT Manipur Director Professor Krishnan Bhaskar and other eminent personalities graced the occasion. Degree certificates were handed over to 171 students from 2019-20, 2021-22 batches of IIIT Manipur. Meritorious students of respective batches were also awarded with gold medals and certificates on the occasion.
IIT Gamanava Information Technology Indian Institute of Information Technology have institutes hai Manipur da lai re all over the country ngasi graduate pass out tawrising se loina mang hantaki batch ti akhoi gi loina mang mapan da gi ore Manipur ya aduna next lakadro is akhoi awareness ama pinaba akhoi gi site gi government site kan honarani plus special coaching ka tawraga moise akhoi chhatra sing sida tamning musing do we will provide them proper coaching and guidance so that they can enter this this institute on merit.
3-day-long second annual Research Scholars Meet 2022 organized by Manipur University Research Club concluded today at MIMS Conference Hall of Manipur University. Speaking on the occasion, noted filmmaker and Padma Shri Aribam Shyam Sarma appreciated Manipur University for holding an academic discussion on his films as Manipuri films celebrate 50 years. Mentioning that most of his works were based on art, culture and tradition of Manipur, Aribam Shyam Sharma also expressed his wish for Manipur University to set up film clubs which will allow students to study and discuss films. Speaking at the event, Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor N. Lokendra, lauded the efforts of Manipur University Research Club for organizing the research meet on the works of the renowned filmmaker Aribam Shyam Sarma. He also expressed the possibility of setting up of a film study club by repairing the EMRC's studio of a Centenary Hall located in the university. Registrar of Manipur University, Professor W. Chandababu, Dean of School of Humanities Professor Nahapam Aruna and many research scholars attended the valedictory event held on the theme Culture and its Representation in Research with Aribam Shyam Sharma.
Film club pumba research scholar singchigal lunana club pumba mtangal lebiar ti ati diam behawi natraga na jingning kan de yeng beaba ti lam dal leholi sina batan naman na mag-research tong hati yeng beaba mayam sigi thamaga archive am da tak namaga along with prithvi film lunana akoi film sisu karagidi soidal maki level pokaladi afaba thorkani pokatilabdi idean phayane khanjabari.
In the Centenary Hall, that studio is lying vacant. I had asked my colleagues in the Department of Mass Communication to find out if there is any possibility of developing that vacated studio for a purposeful development of some kind of a mini studio for the Department of Mass Communication. I think the research club can think of, you can go on a visit and you can think of forming some kind of a film studies club.
Imphal West Police team led by Officer in Charge N. Ingocha arrested an individual in possession of 630 grams of suspected brown sugar in North AOC area of Imphal. Acting on a specific input regarding transportation of contraband in a Tata winger from Kwakta to Dimapur, the police team under the supervision of Imphal West District SP KSH Shivakanta carried out frisking and checking wherein the seizure was made. The arrested person is 25-year-old MD Faziruddin, son of MD Lahimuddin from Kwakta Ward number 2. Police team recovered the drugs which were found strapped with cello tape on Faziruddin's thigh. An FIR has been filed under NDNPS Act and the arrested person has been produced before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West. The arrested is remanded to the police custody for 7 days for further interrogation. Bishnupur District Commando teams, including women constables under the command of its officer in charge, today arrested one suspected woman cadre of proscribed pre-park VC from a location near Bishnupur FCI godown. The arrested woman is 36-year-old Ningombam Ganga alias Janura, wife of N. Raju, resident of Moirang, Pansahang, Lekai, Ward number 1. Acting on a tip-off from 10 Assam Rifles and other sources, the team carried out frisking and checking in and around Bishnupur FCI godown along the Old Kashar Road this afternoon. Ganga was arrested by commando team during the checking. She has been handed over to Bishnupur Police Station for further legal action. Committee of Civil Societies Kanglei Park CCSK will commemorate the first ever sitting of Manipur Legislative Assembly of October 18, 1948. This year too, CCSK will observe the day on October 18 at Chandrakriti Auditorium in Imphal. This was announced by CCSK President Jitendra Ningomba during a press meet held at CCSK office in Chekon today. Speaking to media, Jitendra appeals to the public to extend their support in holding the observance and to encourage them to take part in the program. He also urged the public not to call any ban or block it on October 18.
Leibak ngaksin na bugdam miyana pamba youth khalaga bot hadanagiba adugumla bota mikhalda bot karaba mayam singuna lenga ngakiba aduguma numitsi adungai gi 1948 ki October ki tang tarag ni pansi koi matamdu da Manipur state darabada Manipurda ekoi gi elected member mayam singsna la ayarga lenga na bugidam ta koi gi assemble togiba wasiki bu numitu koibani adugumla ba numit adu ekoi gi CCSK na handaki sahi oinasu lagliba October ki tang tarag ni pan 2022 sida Chandrakriti Auditorium sida rom se pangthok sagani iramdam Kanglei Park sida lebiri riksha khudimungna khogi wakhal gi oiba pangal gi oiba sel tum gi oiba khoi me mateng haijapada khogi thamoi di gu oiba haidare sum pining na kidang mateng pangbir khogi oro su mateng pangbiu.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you updates on coronavirus cases in India and the world. Keep watching Impact News.
Ningo Chakauba Musung Diwali Nalakpa Iroinana, Miam Gyoiba, Tonganba Sentoglambia Mapibangam Nabagi Pandamda, Akanabukudong Java Pijeri. Green Can Industries Tage, Akanabapolam Lebi Bamatamda, Green Can Institute of Bakery and Culinary Arts Ta, Lemna Bakery Course Tamnabagi Kudong Java Pijeri. Loinana, Restaurant Kitchen Setup Amadi, Bakery Setup Taubada, Changadabapolam Kuding Maksu, Makalkayagi Discount Pijeri. Akak naba matam khakta magpizaba khudong jabani ngasi maglengsin biro Green Can Industries.
Presto Personalized Wonders, Imphal da nauna hangdok jari, Haidiba asida personalized gifts, corporate gifts, awards and mementos, home decor, office rubber stamp na chingba potlam sing, mafam asida pambigani, ngasi maglangsin birau, Tila Grass Enterprises, Presto, Tangal Bazar near Kasturi Tong, Imphal. Contact number 0385-244-9025 natraga 98621-00456.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. India added 1,968 new COVID-19 cases, 3,481 recoveries and 15 deaths in the last 24 hours. As per the latest report of Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, India's COVID-19 active case load stands at 34,598. Total recoveries are 4,40,36,152. Recovery rate stands at 98.74%. That toll reaches 5,28,716. Over 218 crore 80 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in India so far. Manipur added 2 new positive cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. As per the latest report from State Health Department and COVID-19 Command Control Room, coronavirus has affected 1,39,818 people in the state. There is no report of any death cases in the past 24 hours and death toll remains at 2,149. There is no report of any recovered cases and active cases in the state stands at 11. Globally, coronavirus has infected above 62 crore 38 lakh 40,000 people. It has claimed above 65 lakh 52,000 people and recoveries are above 60 crore 40 lakh 38,000. USA has the highest active cases of above 19 lakh 32,000 in the world. CPI Katrigao Local Council held condolence meet today at Top Mayai Lekai mourning the death of Comrade Marangtem Ibohal. CPI Imphal East District Council also held a condolence meet at Wangkai and CPI Taubal District also held the same at Kakching Kunau. Yaiskulin Council also condoled the demise of the late veteran communist leader Marangtem Ibohal today. Maruti Suzuki Company's brand new Nexa Grand Vitara car was launched in Imphal today. Nexa Chingmairong Eastern Motors organized the event at its showroom in Chingmairong. DM University Vice Chancellor N. Rajmohan, Eastern Motors proprietor Sinam Pritam were among those present at the event. On-road price of Nexa Grand Vitara car ranges between 11,77,750 rupees to 19,27,908 rupees. Disaster Management Institute under the aegis of State Relief and Disaster Management Department began 2-day awareness program come fire safety mock drill at Ibocho Service Station in Kakwa Simlekai, Imphal West District today. Experts of Civil Defense, SDRF Manipur and Manipur Fire Services elaborated on measures during emergency situation. They also demonstrated fire safety mock drill. Speaking on the sidelines, SDRF Sub-Team Commander O. Achoba urged people to be aware about various disaster management measures and techniques considering that Manipur is prone to natural calamities. Indian Railways has converted 500 mail express trains to the superfast category. In addition to these 130 services, 65 pairs have also been speeded up by converting to the superfast category. The speeding up of trains is between 10 minutes to 70 minutes. The Ministry of Railways informed about this development by releasing its new All India Railway timetable known as Trains at a Glance on its official website. The ministry said the punctuality of mail express trains during the year 2022-23 is about 84%, which is about 9% more than during 2019-20. The Crafts and Social Development Organization CSDO press note announces that 10-day-long CSDO Crafts Bazaar will be held at Moirang from October 14 to 23. Interested artisans with valid artisan Pehchan card may participate in the Crafts Bazaar, which is to be organized under the sponsorship of the Office of Development Commissioner, Handicrafts, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. For further details, interested participants may contact Secretary General of CSDO, T.H. Prameshwar, on his mobile number 943-603-7132 or Secretary Lalit Mete on his mobile number 985-647-8072 on or before October 8, 2022. The 13th Mr. Kanglei Park 2022 contest will be held on October 30 at GM Hall in Imphal. Maba will organize the contest in association with late Ningthemcha Ningol Chongtham Ongbi Ima Sanatombi Memorial Trust. Screening round for the contest will be held at Oripok Pachaspati Laikai on October 28. Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired, was sworn in as the new governor of Meghalaya at the Raj Bhavan in Shillong. Justice of Meghalaya High Court Hamarasan Thangkyu administered the oath of office. Brigadier Mishra is presently the governor of Arunachal Pradesh and has been given additional charge of Meghalaya till further arrangements are made. Former Governor Satyapal Malik's tenure ended on October 4, that is today, and was not given an extension. Meghalaya Assembly Speaker Medba Lingdo, Cabinet Ministers Lakmen Rimbui, Bantiodar Lingdo, Hamlet Doling and others were present on the occasion. Press note from Nongthang Lema Institute of Art and Culture informs that month-long workshop cum production program on Moirang Kanglei Role, the Laikumba on Pena, concluded today at Nongthang Lema Institute of Art and Culture in Khurai, Thangjam Lekai. The program was organized with the sponsorship of Ministry of Culture, Government of India under CFPGS 2021-22. Now the sports news. Manipur added 2 golds, 1 silver and 2 bronze medals today on the 6th day of the 36th National Games hosted by Gujarat. Manipur has secured a total of 29 medals, including 13 golds, 5 silvers and 11 bronze medals. Okram Naubi from Manipur clinched a gold in the India Round Women Individual of Archery event. Manipur defeated host team Gujarat in the archery match played at Sanskardham in Ahmedabad. Archery men's team also bagged a gold medal. In archery women's team Indian round, Manipur bagged a silver medal, while 19-year-old Leifrakpa Rojina bagged a bronze medal in individual Indian round women of archery event played at Ahmedabad's Sankardam. She defeated her opponent from Bihar 7-1. In EP event of fencing, Manipur's women's team bagged a bronze medal.
I bronze lobud yam harawe aigi takpi tambirok pa oja gai dasu ai thank you aninge moina full support bibi bage ngasi mafam se rok pangam bane dagi aigi relatives aigi friends moi myam full support tawbiye adugi damak yam thaga chari duduga ina bronze medal pangak pa ngasi yam haraw jaye aduga oja gai parents kai aigi mama baba gai da thank you aninge honaninge mathang da antak go fangau su mathang da kan honaraga phangna bo hona jage.
Team Manipur participating in the Under-19 Men's Cricket BCCI Tournament Vinu Bankar Trophy 2022-23 left Imphal for Dehradun today. Uttarakhand Cricket Association will organize the tournament starting from October 7. Manipur team comprising of 15 players and 5 support staff is led by team manager Laishram Naubi. Manipur will play its first match against Kerala on October 7. Assam Don Bosco University and Genesis Max Foundation will organize the first Northeast Pride Football Cup 5A side amateur tournament for Imphal area will be held on October 7 and 8 at Eastern Sporting Ground, on October 14 and 15 at Lamka Football Ground of Churachandpur District, and at Kuki Football Ground in Kangpokpi District on October 21st and 22nd. Interested individuals may visit the website www.northeastpridecup.com or contact mobile number 981-837-7385 for more details. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Scuffle erupts as police disperse women street vendors who try to occupy vending spaces at new space on the northern side of Paramban temporary market before inauguration. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren flags off 12 more GPS-enabled highway patrol vehicles under third phase to provide security and prevent unwanted incidents on national highways. And Manipur adds 2 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze medals on 6th day of 36th National Games Gujarat 2022. Okram Naubi and archery men's team bagged gold medals. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. For more news, you can also follow Impact TV on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Have a great evening and stay safe.